shower on. Can you help me to set up the pen? Press any button to go on when you are ready. Okay, let's start our trip.
Nice to meet you. Let's learn to draw an apple today. First, let's begin by drawing an ear-shaped line. Make sure you have a big half circle at the top and a smaller half circle at the bottom. Now that you have an ear shape, repeat this shape on the right. Don't forget to connect both shapes together, top and bottom. Now that you have an ear shape, repeat this shape on the right. Don't forget to connect both shapes together, top and bottom. We now have a simple apple shape. Let's add a curve in the middle at the top of the apple. This is the stalk where we will later add a leaf. It's time to add some small detail. Draw a long curve on the left at the bottom of the apple. Don't forget to also draw a smaller curve on the right at the top of the apple. It's time to add some small... Now, let's finish the apple with an important leaf. Add a leaf shape on the left side of the stalk at the top of the apple. Great! Now you've drawn an apple! I have one more challenge for you. Do you know how to spell apple? Can you use letter cards to spell it out? What's the next letter? Great! The first letter is A. What's the next letter? Great! The second letter is P. Great! The last letter is E. Now you know how to spell apple. Now, let's add some colour to the apple. You can either refer to the colour scheme provided on the other page, or you can design your own apple. Have fun! Hello there! Nice to see you again. Let's go to the fruit shop today. We can practice our maths too. Can you tell me how many apples do we have in total? Can you find the right number card? That's right, there are 2 apples now. Great job! That's right, 2 apples plus 1 pear equals 3. There are 3 pieces of fruit all together. Well done! down. That's right. 3 cherries plus 1 peach equals 4. Two strawberries plus 2 lemons equals 4. We have 4 pieces of fruit in our third basket now. See you next time!